Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the team where the work lives and selecting Add Channel. You need owner rights, so make sure you have them. Choose Standard for team-wide conversations, Private to restrict access, or Shared to include guests. This choice affects permissions and discoverability. Once done, give the channel a concise name and description so search and structure work. Add policy tags or sensitivity labels if your org uses them, because that enforces compliance and retention automatically. After creating the channel, configure its settings. Open Manage Channel to set moderation, assign presenters, and adjust member posting rights so conversations stay on topic. Add tabs to surface key resources, files for documents, Planner for tasks, Wiki or OneNote for notes, and Power BI for dashboards, so everyone has one-click access. Once done, pin frequently used files and set channel message defaults, because consistent structure reduces duplicate threads and saves time when you now use the channel for focused work. Post topics, reply in thread, and use at team or at channel sparingly to avoid noise. Once done, use tabs and pinned files to keep resources front and center. Maintain the channel by archiving inactive channels and auditing membership and permissions quarterly so access stays correct. If you can't see messages or files, check whether you're still a member, whether moderation blocks posts, or if retention policies hide content. Adjusting those settings usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.